What's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here model kit from Aoshima. This is your 1 in 400 scale Ideon from Mecha anime Space Runaway Ideon. So this is very nice kit that I have from Aoshima. This is so much better than what I previously owned from that company, which is the Godzilla, Gunbuster, the Full Metal Panic Live Time. And for me, this is a very nice kit. The plastic quality of this kit is much better than the previous model kits that they have. And this is a decent kit, by the way. Actually, this is one of I think the latest. That's their latest model kit, which was made 2023. So unlike the other model kits that they have, the plastic quality of this is very strong and nice. So we got here this Ideon, which looks like or has the resemblance of a gun cannon in Jim. Jim from Gundam, or the gun, just like the gun snipers and the grunt suit from Federation. So medyo kamukha niya yung mga ganong model kit. So I have here this non-transformable model. Actually, this type of robot can disintegrate into 3 parts, but this is not the type or the model kit that disintegrate. So this is just a full mecha or robot. So ano lang siya, isang model kit lang. Okay, so let's go with the height of this kit. This is about 23 centimeters, or as per the description of Aoshima, it is about 23 centimeters. So it's a big kit. But if we're going to compare it with the so-called 25 centimeters model kit from Orange Cat Industry, parang mas matangkad pa siya, diba? So compared with the 23 centimeters, so this is 25 as per Orange Cat Industry, but parang baliktad, diba? So matangkad siya. This is the Neam Hein latest model kit from Orange Cat Industry. Si mas matangkad si Ideon. So this is much like, let's measure. Kung compare natin ang kanilang height, let's get the ruler here. If I'm going to measure it until the antennas there, this is about 24 centimeters. So yes, 24 centimeters. And how about this kit here? This is until the tip of dito. So 24. So they are both 24. So this should be 24 and this should be 24, not 23. If I'm going to include their itong mga spikes sa kanilang ulo. Okay? And let's compare it with a master grade, regular master grade kit, 18 centimeters. So I have here master grade RX-79 ground type. So maliit si RX-79 ground type. And if we're going to compare it with smaller kits like the Motoroid here, so wala, hanggang tuhod lang si B-Riot. And if we're going to compare it with another small model kit here, 1/20th scale, Sakura Wars model kit here, still yan, maliit, parang mga anak na lang niya to. So let's go with the articulation of this kit. Let's go with the head here. The head can turn 360 degrees. Yep, it's very nice. And there are no stickers with this kit. This is what I like. So what you can see in the eyes here, the visor here is clear blue part, and this green here is a clear green gem. And you have the option to use green for the eyes, and even here in the torso here, but I still follow what is written in this instruction, and based on the appearance on the anime. So this should be blue, and green, and it's up to you if you want to change it. There are three kinds of visor. The first visor is like the Yakushiki, which calculates the calculating visor, and the other one is it's like there's some straight line on the middle, something like that. Okay, so the torso here has ball joint, but it's very stiff. There are ball joints on the middle here, and also in the waist section. So the waist is very fine, can rotate like this. And how about in the chest part? Cannot do so, it's stiff. Then the shoulder can move forward like that, just like that, but it's not that much, it's a bit limited. Also, it can move backward like this, it's limited. And the arms can rotate full 360 degrees like that. Okay, so this is in the ball joint. Okay, and it can also do inward and outward movement. And this one also can move somehow, move up like this, so the arms can swing up to this far. Yep, something like that. But if you want to lock it in place, just bring or push this down like that. Okay, then the elbows can move up to this far, and there's this double joint here where, as you can see, the plastic will push inward, and it can bend up to this far. Yep. And as you can notice, I replaced the hands into the Kotobukiya knuckle type hand because I much like this badass hands for this Ideon here, because the hand of this looks so comical. I don't like that hand, although that hand should be like that, because yun yung kakabitan mo ng parang Ideon wave niya, yung malaking sword. But I don't like that. The plastic for those parts are ang pangit, looks like garbage to me, so I don't like the effect parts. Even though the hatches here, they should be closed, but I intended to make it open para sa spike. Gusto ko yung spiky, parang spiky feel niya. Ang ganda eh. Pero this should be closed because this is hatches for missile. So missile barrage. Should have this missile barrage here. But the spikes for those missile barrage, the plastic parts are not, hindi ko gusto, ang pangit. So I don't like to use those missile barrage even here sa paa. Okay, so the legs, ang ganda ng legs niya dito. There's a point of articulation here. Okay, can kick up to this far. Ang taas, diba? Sorry sa alikabok. Alikabokan siya. Okay, and ayun lang, medyo loose yung part na to, kaya ingat lang. Ayun. Meron din siyang movement dito sa may part na ito. Ayan. There's a movement also in this secondary, dito sa thigh, parang secondary movement point niya. And it can rotate like this, and the knees can bend, double jointed also, so it can bend up to this far. So ang ganda ng articulation ng knees niya. Then the feet can swivel, ito ganito, side to side, and it can do plantar extend and plantar flex like that. And there's a blade here, parang axe. So ano siya, two plastic clamp together like that. Okay, ang galing. So Ideon weapons, we own. This is his primary weapon. This I forgot the name of this, but this is like a wave bazooka, something like that. And if I am to describe this, this looks like a battleship. Galing, di ba? And nakakatawa yung effect nito if you're going to play the Super Robot Wars game, the effect of this is like hurricane. Parang ano siya, imbis na ganun, parang ganun, parang ano siya, parang ipo-ipo. And we got here boosters. Ayan, ang galing. Ito parang balancing boosters, stabilizers. So, if Ideon's going to fire this thing, ayan, parang may propeller siya sa ilalim. And then, so, are we going to make him hold here? Okay, sige, try natin. And so, ayan, nahawakan ni Ideon yung kanyang cannon by using this Kotobuki MSG knuckles, and saktong-sakto dun sa kanyang handle dun. Kaso mabigat talaga yan. And I put this part here, this action-based stand here, para masupport yun. Kasi nawawala yung action-based stand ko. Hindi ko na makita. And may kulang pa nga yan. Supposed to be there's a wire here connecting to the abdomen ni Ideon. Should be connected there doon sa point na yun, para parang electric connector ganun. Pero pag wala tong action base na yan, ayan, baksak siya, diba? Kasi ang bigat, actually mabigat yan. So we need this support para dun sa cannon niya. Pero likewise, ang ganda, di ba? Nahawakan nung Kotobuki MSG hands yung cannon niya. So is this advisable for beginners? Yes, this is advisable. This kit is very easy to build. Dali lang, walang fitting issues. Of course, this Aoshima original brand, and yep, very nice. If you're a fan of 70s and 80s mecha, this should be part of your collection. This is very good. This is very great Ideon model kit. So thank you very much for watching this review of 1 in 400 scale plastic model kit of Ideon from Space Runaway Ideon, made by Aoshima Model Kit. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, God bless, take care, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. Auf Wiedersehen, sayonara, adios. Till next time.